Hello, everybody. Sleep disorders are common nowadays. People who are not able to sleep very well at night, they may not be able to do their work properly, concentrate. They may not be having an enthusiasm for doing the work. So, what are the causes behind sleep disorders? There are n numbers of causes behind that. Here I am going to point out only few of them. A person who is depressed may not be having proper sleep. The person who is having lots of pain, just like headache, joint pains, arthritis, breathing difficulties, may not be having proper sleep. And the person who are having anxiety, tense, high BP, maybe these categories of people might be suffering from insomnia or sleep disorders. So how can we overcome or how can we manage these sleep disorders? One thing we should notice that before going to sleep, we should not use coffee or alcohol or substance which makes disturbance to sleep. Certain food also can cause sleep disorders. So we should take food at least before 2 hours before going to sleep. So indigestion may cause gastric issues, that can cause gastric issues, and that also may lead problems for having proper sleep. Using the mobiles, internet, or the computers, sitting in front of computers, or that also makes a lot of changes in our endocrine systems. At least we should drop using the computers or mobiles or watching TVs at least half an hour or 1 hour before we go to bed. So if you are not having the proper sleep, or if you are not able to sleep in the bed, you can change that room and come back to another room where you can relax there, you can read something, listen to music, and after that you can go for a sleep. We should maintain a room for sleep only. Other activities, just like our office works or office items, just like computers and files and all, should not be kept there. The bedroom should be only for sleeping purpose only. So after sleeping, some might get interrupted and they awake at midnight, overstrain. That also can cause sleep disorders, and we may not get proper sleep if we overthink. A simple technique you can do is you can cleanse your aura before going to sleep. Your energy levels can be controlled by keeping your feet, both the feet in salt water, hot water, and putting the salt in that and keeping the feet in that in a bucket for 10 minutes. You should keep your feet in that salt water, and after that you pour the water in toilet or somewhere, because that water contains negative energy, and after that if you go for a sleep, you might be able to go for a good deep sleep. And another simple technique is to count from 100 to 0. gradually you count 100, 99 like that. When you reach 0, your brain's frequency level will be in alpha state and you will be able to sleep quite good. Liver issues can be also cause sleep disorders. If liver is not functioning very well, your body temperature or the fire element will be high, and that also can cause restless, lack of concentration and all. Some may need sleep tablets or they should need some drugs. So the nature has provided time at night for us to sleep. At least 7 hours sleep is necessary for a person to restore the energy which he has spent in the daytime. So one should sleep at least 7 hours in the day. Person to person the sleeping hours may be changing. That may depends upon the person. A person who is doing meditation, healing and kriyas and all, he may not be need 7 hours sleep, he might need only 4 hours sleep. So we should not get worried if we are not getting a sleep at night, and we should not wander our mind thinking about what will happen if I don't get sleep, and you should not think about the negative thing which happened in your life which disturbed your mind. You can listen to the music and you can relax, and there is a practice of listening music in mobile, keeping headphones in the ears. That may cause problem. To a certain extent your ears can withstand that sound if you are doing daily that practice, and some cases might have noticed we could have read in our paper the mobile phone at night, sleeping with that, it might get burst, overheat due to overheat of the battery and all. So better, there is another procedure also is there. Mustard oil can be applied inside your both feet and the inner side. Even you can put some 3 or 2 drops in the nail area of the big finger of the toe, both. That can also induce sleep. So we have to categorize what sort of problems we are having and why we are having the sleep disorders. If we need a medical advice from a doctor, that should be taken from time to time. So we are concerned about us only, and we should have an awareness why we are having these problems. And if you are having the sleep disorders, better you can consult a doctor or a person who can advise you. These are the only few words I would like to share to you. Kindly try to apply this, and I feel some of the tips might help you. Thank you.